Once upon a time, in a lush, verdant jungle, there lived a regal serpent named King Snake. He was not an ordinary snake, but a serpent of wisdom and power, revered by all the creatures of the forest. One day, a crisis arose. A drought had gripped the jungle, and the once flowing rivers had dried up. The creatures of the forest were suffering, and King Snake knew he had to act. He called a meeting of all the jungle's inhabitants. "My friends," he began, "our home is in peril. The rivers have dried, and we must find a solution." The creatures looked to King Snake for guidance. King Snake pondered long and hard. He knew that the solution was not easy, but he also knew that he had to act. He decided to journey to the mountain of knowledge, a place where ancient wisdom was said to reside. The journey was long and arduous. King Snake scaled steep hills, waded through treacherous rivers, and braved the darkest forests. But he pressed on, driven by his love for his home and the creatures who lived there. After many days, he reached the mountain of knowledge. He climbed to the top and entered a cave. Inside, he found an ancient book, glowing with an ethereal light. He opened it and read the words within. The book spoke of a sacred ritual, a dance of the elements, that could bring rain to the parched jungle. King Snake returned to his home, his heart filled with hope. He taught the dance to the creatures of the forest. They danced with all their heart, moving in harmony with the elements. As the final notes of the dance died away, the heavens opened, and rain fell upon the jungle. The rain was a blessing, quenching the thirst of the jungle and filling the rivers once more. The creatures of the forest rejoiced, and King Snake was hailed as a hero. But King Snake was not boastful. He knew that the solution was not his alone, but a result of the unity and perseverance of the entire jungle. He led his people in thanking the elements, promising to protect their home and continue to seek wisdom in times of need. And so, the jungle flourished, a testament to the power of unity, perseverance, and wisdom. King Snake, the wise serpent, continued to rule with compassion, always ready to lead his people in times of need. The tale of King Snake serves as a reminder that wisdom, unity, and perseverance can overcome even the greatest of challenges.